Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to set, how to customize, how to use the eye comfort mode on this device. So basically we will start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's open the settings firstly, and now let's tap on the display and brightness. Here in the view mode, as you can see, we've got the eye comfort on the second position, so let's enter. And before we will be able to customize it, actually we have to see it. So let's tap on the switcher next to the enable all day, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. I'm pretty sure that it will be better seen in the light mode. So let me quickly change it. So let's turn off the dark mode, and now let's enter eye comfort mode. As I said, let's turn it on, and as you can see, and as I said, the screen is yellowish. Here we've got the filter level, so we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left we can make it a little bit cooler, and by going to the right a little bit warmer. At least it should be warmer. What's more, we can schedule this feature just by tapping on this switcher here, and we can freely pick the start and the end time. So for example, the start time something like that, and the end somewhere maybe here. Tap on OK. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish again. It is because, of course, we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn it off. Let's keep it enable all day. And basically, this is the customization of this mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to simply unroll the top bar, the control panel, and here we have to unroll this section with the icons. Here we've got the eye comfort mode, which is currently turned on, so if you want to turn it off, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see, it will be turned off. Of course, you can turn it on the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.